Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG TV pixelation problem, signal cables and picture settings. Fix 1. Hard power cycle. You just have to turn off the TV and unplug the power cord. Hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Leave the TV unplugged for 10 minutes and plug it directly to a wall outlet and turn the TV back on. Fix 2. Reset the video cables. Locate your HDMI or coaxial cable. Unplug both the ends of the cable and blow out any dust from the boards. Plug the cables firmly back in and move the cable to a different HDMI port if available. Fix 3. Run a picture test. You just have to press a setting on the remote and select all setting 3 dots. Click Support, Screen Self Diagnose or Picture Test. View the sample picture. Image is perfect. Your TV is fine. The issue is in your cable box, app, or antenna. Image pixelation. Your TV hardware or internal system has a fault. Fix 4. OLED pixel cleaning. You just have to press the setting on the remote, select all settings, general, click OLED care or OLED panel care, and then you have to select pixel cleaning, then click on start now and let it finish without interruption. Fix 5. Update the TV firmware. Press setting on the remote, select all settings, support, then click on software update. Click check for update, download and install any available updates. Fix 6. Factory reset. You just have to press the setting on the remote and select all settings, general, then click system, reset to initial settings, confirm the prompt to wipe and restart the TV. Thanks for watching.